Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to set up the EIOTCLUB 3rd Generation Unlimited eSIM with your IoT devices. The 3rd Gen Unlimited eSIM for IoT is designed for connected devices that require flexible global connectivity and remote profile management. It supports consumer-grade triple-cut cards, standard, micro, nano, making it suitable for devices such as routers, security cameras, GPS trackers, tablets, and other IoT devices. Let's get started. First, insert the card into an unlocked and compatible device, ensuring it's properly seated. Then, power on the device and confirm that the SIM card is detected.
Network connection succeeded.
If there's no network connection, check the following items. Make sure the device is carrier unlocked and supports third-party SIM cards. Then, confirm that the APN is correctly configured for your region, and turn on data roaming if required. After finishing all the settings, restart the device so the new settings and profile can take effect. Firstly, make sure your device is connected to the router. Then open a web browser and enter the router's IP address to access the admin panel. Check the connection notification and click Manual Setup. Then enter the correct APN. After completing the APN configuration, ensure the network status is connected. Next, download the EIOTCLUB app. You can download it in one of the following ways. Search EIOTCLUB in the App Store or Google Play. Scan the QR code provided. After installation, open the app. For first-time users, tap Create New Account. Enter your email address. Input the verification code sent to your email. Create a password. Select your country or region and preferred currency. Tap Next to complete registration. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Scan or manually enter the ICCID number. Tap Next to confirm. Your eSIM card will now appear in the SIM card section. After adding the card number, check its status. If it shows online, you can proceed with editing the card status. If a reminder pops up stating that the SIM card is offline and the status shows offline, please ensure your device has sufficient power and the SIM card is properly inserted and connected to the network before attempting card account operations. There are two ways to get an eSIM profile. If you already have a QR code or activation code, tap Add. You can scan a QR code using your phone camera. Upload a QR code image from your photo gallery, or manually enter the activation code. After selecting your preferred method, tap Download and Install. If you haven't purchased an eSIM profile yet, you can do so directly from the eSIM shop within the app. Choose a local, regional, or global plan. Select your destination and data package. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. After purchase, the eSIM profile will automatically appear in your account. You can also use the preloaded eSIM profile that comes with your EIOTCLUB eSIM card. Simply top up a data plan and start using it like a regular SIM card. We offer both local and international data plans to meet your everyday connectivity and travel needs. Return to the home page and refresh the list. Tap Remote to view all available profiles. Select the profile you want to use and tap the toggle button to activate it. Please wait a few moments for network registration. If the connection does not appear, verify the device settings. The APN is correct, and data roaming is enabled if needed, and the profile is active. If you'd like to verify the activation or switching result, open Operation Records to view the operation history and current profile status. First, make sure the eSIM profile is turned off. Then tap the name of the eSIM profile you want to delete. Enter the eSIM details page. Select Delete eSIM. Tap Submit to confirm. The eSIM profile will be permanently deleted from your device. Tap the eSIM name to open its settings. Go to the Settings or Management page. Select Delete eSIM card slot. Tap Submit to confirm. The eSIM card slot will be removed from your device. Thank you for watching. Your EIOTCLUB 3rd-Gen Unlimited eSIM is now ready to use.